crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I'm creating a card with the brand new Love Notes April card kit from Love from Lizi. Now while I'm doing some stamping, I want to tell you about a giveaway. So the Love from Lizi April release will have you sending love notes to all your friends and family. You can check out all of our fabulous projects that the design team have created with this new release over on Instagram. Hop along on Instagram and enter for a chance to win a $30 Canadian gift voucher to shop. Now what you need to do to enter is follow Love from Lizi, follow me, like this post, like the post on Instagram, and leave a comment and tag a friend over here and on Instagram, and you'll be entered to win. Now make sure you check out all the stops, and their winner will be announced on the Love from Lizi Facebook community group after March 28th. All right, so let's get back to my card. So as you can see here, I've done some stamping. I'm using that brand new Love from Lizi Love Notes stamp set, and I love this adorable typewriter. I'm using my mini Misty platform to get this stamped out, and then I've taken a sentiment and I've stamped just a note. Now I'm going to do some fussy cutting with my scissors, and we're going to get the card assembled. So I want to show you that even though there's not a die, you don't have to worry. Fussy cutting this image is super easy. I like to turn my paper instead of my hand and scissors so that I get a nice clean cut. Now, while I'm doing the cutting, I want to mention that I am creating several cards with this. In fact, I have an 8-card one kit video coming out on the Love from Lizi YouTube channel on March 28th. So be sure to go over to the Love from Lizi YouTube channel, like and subscribe, and sign up for notifications so that you don't miss out on that. Now, if you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. And that's a great way to find out about these giveaways because usually they are over on Instagram. All right, so I've almost got this cut out. And as you can see here, that was super easy. Just gonna snip a few little edges here to make this complete. And I did stamp this with some strawberry ink, and I think that that matches the red cardstock, the strawberry red cardstock that was included in the card kit this month. Now I do have a full unboxing of the card kit here on YouTube, so be sure to check that out so you can see all of what's included. All right, so let's get to the card. So my base is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 A2 American Standard. And then I've cut this specialty cardstock. So this black glitter cardstock is in a specialty add-on bundle that you can add. It's the Love Notes add-on bundle. I will have shopping links included down below in the description box. And I always appreciate when you shop my links as that helps support me and my YouTube channel as I receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. So that black layer is 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. And then I've just taken a little piece of white and made it just 1/8 of an inch bigger all the way around. Now I'm adding some of these beautiful peel-offs. Now these peel-offs are the gold mirror, and these are included in the Love Notes Pinstripe add-on bundle. The pinstripe peel-offs are my favorite item that Love from Lizi has. And I always love to get the pinstripe peel-off bundle because I can use these for so many different things. Cards, scrapbook pages. I mean, you can always use a little strip of some glimmer and glitter, right? All right, so I have that glued down. And then you'll see here I'm using this gorgeous piece of vellum. Now, this piece of vellum has some nice gold detail on it. And this was included in the card kit. And this is layer 2, and I cut this to 2 1/2 by 4 3/4. Now I got to be careful on where I put the glue so that it doesn't show through. So I'm just going to add a little touch of glue here in this right hand side because I know I'm going to place the typewriter right over top of that. So we'll get this adhered down. And now let me seal up that glue. I don't want that to dry out. I've got my typewriter here, and I'm adding a little bit of foam to the back. I like to use craft foam and just cut it down to size So I'll get this stuck down, and then we'll put the typewriter right onto the card. So add a little wet glue, and I'm using wet glue here because I am adding this to the glitter paper. I don't want to take any chances with just using my adhesive roller. So I'll hold this in place for just a moment. That should be set. And then included in the card kit were these cute little bows. We received 3 of them. So I'm going to add a little glue to the back, and I'm going to place it right here in the center of the typewriter. And I think that that just adds a cute little detail. Then next I'm going to bring in the mini hearts that were white with gold finish, and these came included in the card kit. And I like these. There's 3 different sizes. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. So let me pull out these hearts here. So I'm going to add a larger one to the bottom right. And then I'm going to take the medium size and the small, and I'm going to place it over here on the upper left. So we'll get these in place, and then that is going to finish off our card today. Don't forget to head over to Instagram so you can see all the designs and enter for your chance to win the Love from Lizi Instagram Hop Giveaway. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Stay tuned for some still shots. Bye!